Hi everyone, welcome to Tutorials by David. Today we'll be having a tutorial of how to fix your Cloudflare, verify if you are a human, which is ongoing loop. If you're stuck in the Cloudflare's verify you are human loop, start by clearing your browser cache and cookies, then restart your browser. Next, if you still are stuck, you want to disable your VPN or proxy you might be using, as Cloudflare often flag these. So make sure your browser is updated to the latest version and try switching to a different one if the problem still persists. You can also check your devices for malware or suspicious extensions that could trigger repeated verification requests. If you're on Wi Fi, restart your router or get a fresh IP address. Finally, try accessing the site from a different device or network to see if the issue is specific to your setup. Following these steps usually breaks the loop and gets you back online quickly.